I will spend the rest of my life trying to make you feel the same way. Marcus.
I often sit and ponder, at home, in the car, in bed, about how different my life could be at this moment. How would my life be if I wasn't here right now? Would I be happy? Would I be satisfied? Or would I be worse than my condition right now? One thing is for sure. Changes are constantly being made, and it is uncertain whether these changes are good or bad. And the fickle world we live in only intensifies the anxiety and anguish I constantly feel. I rarely go on walks, but the warm spring day is making me do otherwise. It's calling my name like a melody to a familiar sound. With that, I walk out the door. I get to think outside the box, as I usually enclose myself and isolate myself from the outdoors, especially during the winter. The comfort of my sojourn is no longer comfortable. Rather, it's suffocating. But the warmth outside reminds me so much of the home I used to live in. The home that screamed youth, love, and home. I feel like something is missing in my life. Like a part of me got lost in the midst of growing up, and like how everything I have turned into what I had, and now it's all jumbled together and I can't figure out which is which anymore. I don't know what it is, but the question is, will I find it?
Bitch, the shit. Life